Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Stampers, and I am back today with a Stampin' Made Simple tip that has to do with the triple banner punch. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with this punch. I love to use it because I love banner ends, but I always struggled trying to figure out the right size strip to use until I figured out this little tip. So I always start with a piece of cardstock, the width that I want it, in this case it's 1 inch, but longer than what I need. And I'm gonna just go ahead and punch the first side of it. And see, here's where the struggle is. When you punch these, you lose a lot of the cardstock. So I'm gonna hang on to this piece, and now I'm gonna stamp the image that I want. Okay, we have this all ready to go. We're gonna kind of center it up and down, but I'm bringing it over to the left to where I want it. Now, how do I know where to trim this off to make sure my banner is exactly where I want it? It's simple. See this piece we took off from that end? All I need to do is hold it on here, and I'm gonna line it up. Okay, I can slide it back and forth, but line it up to where I want that punch to appear. Hold on to it, use my scissors, and just trim this off. Now, when I go ahead and punch this piece, look at that. It punched exactly where I wanted it, and it's the perfect size from my card. So I hope you like that quick little tip using the triple banner punch. I will have this card along with the details on it in the blog post, and I'll list that in the video so that you can find details on the card. But really, it was all about figuring out what size strip to make when you're using the triple banner punch. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you with all your stamping and Stampin' Up! Needs. And if you're looking for a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd be honored to be that person. I'll help you any way I can. Let me know if you need catalogs. I'll be happy to send them to you. And again, watch for another Stampin' Made Simple tip coming to you soon. Have a stamp happy day.